go, done. You got too much water? I'm a rookie here. Alright. Here you go. We just got over there.
Thank you.
That's Cody right there, right?
Right on, yep. Thank you guys.
Sir.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Like right now, I'm already getting called from my friends already. Hey, set me up, man. Set me up to go. Because once I start getting a little bit cool, it's like they're like ready to go.
It's on. Let's go.
Especially in Labor Day when September the 2nd, it's when all these guys go out there and set their feeders. I feed all year round, but some of these guys, that's their key. Is September 2nd, they go out there and start feeding.
Yeah, but I don't want to put too much tension on
No,
this
you're good.
thing.
You're good.
You sure?
Yeah, if it's gonna pull, it's gonna pull, and then.
I come on. Hey, that's a shark. It's a shark. That's a shark.
That's all right. And then.
Here, take over. Take over.
You got it.
No, that thing's too big. I don't want to break it.
You're not gonna break it. You're not gonna break it.
Go ahead. That thing's too big.
I'm in the same boat as Homer is, man.
It's coming up already. What the hell? It's coming up. Oh, you got a bat ray.
What is it?
A bat ray.
Stingray.
Stingray.
I'm gonna net it. We have to net it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna. Do I let it go? No, that's fine.
Oh, he's a good size, huh? Are those keepers or what?
You can eat them. You can eat them.
If you want them.
No.
Hey, one more back. Baby. All right, let go.
Yeah, open the valve. There you go.
Alright.
You guys ready? Bring it in the boat. Move this out of the way. Ready? It's gonna go right here. It's heavy? For being a small little thing? Yeah. The size. Oh, that's it?
Yeah. So basically, all the fins, that's where all the meat's at.
Oh. And the rest is all guts and stuff?
Yeah.
Kill it.
Alright.
Here, Ray. Net it. You want to net it?
I'll net it.
Alright. Don't fall in the water. It's right here.
Oh, it is a shark.
Is it? Oh, it's a little baby. Don't eat on it. Don't eat on it.
Hold on.
Don't eat it?
No, you're good.
No?
No.
Okay.
You're good.
It was? Is it? It is a shark.
Yeah, it's a shark. It's a small shark.
He's gonna bring it in right now. Watch your feet. Watch your toes. He bites. Nah, it's good. It's a sand shark, right?
Yeah.
Bring it in. I'll get it out.
It's a baby.
It feels like sandpaper, literally.
Ah, damn, it sure
Got
does.
Wow. It's dry. See, it came out of the water. It feels like it's dry.
Yeah.
It does have a stinger in the bottom. Wow. Look, this is baby. This thing's real big.
Do they grow big?
Yeah.
Or they just
6 feet.
No, they get
6
big.
to 8 feet. Big.
What is the name of it?
Sand shark. See that right there? Just like a snake.
He's not gonna get spiked anyway?
It's not gonna get spiked. Yeah, see? It's strong, huh?
Hell yeah, man.
See, it's cool.
And they get strong. The bigger ones are like, oh man.
Yeah.
Throw them up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, just throw them. Bye! Oh, look at that. Toodaloo, ta-ta! Big shark!
Nice.
Wait, turn him his back. Turn him his back.
You're good. You're good. You're good. We got Uncle Raymond on hopefully halibut.
Another shark! He doesn't feel heavy.
We'll find out. We'll bring him up closer. He's gonna grow.
Slowly up.
You see? He's gonna grow. Come on.
It's a shark! Oh, it might be.
Oh, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. Okay, come back, Theo. Come back. Walk back. All right.
That's a keeper.
All right, and open this up. You're good. Yep, I got it. Let's see what we got. Keeper. Oh yeah, you're over 22 and 23. 23 keeper. Want to buck him?
Yeah, pop him. I'll pop him.
Right here. Hard. There you go.
Another stingray, huh, Mike?
Probably. We'll go a different spot.
They're biting though.
Yeah, another battery.
Yeah.
Hey, let me see if I can try to
You can net it and I'll hook it under.
she's open. Leave it inside there. Let me see if I can just remove the hook. Got the hook out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Different spot. We're gonna get nothing but batteries here.
Baby.
All right, Michael has one.
Ah!
It's a big shark.
Small little thing. Ah!
It's a flounder. It's a keeper.
Flounder. Mix some ceviche with it.
Get in here.
It's a 12-incher. I'll make the big.
All right. Well, small little dude.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Next time when you get bigger.
That's a good one now.
That's a shark. Another shark. Another shark.
That's fine.
Right when I said it, huh?
You got that thing on?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
She's on.
All right, Daddy, you need to pay attention to these rods. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
Check it out. Check it out.
Line up.
Ooh.
It's big. No.
Oh, it's a battery.
Stingray?
Battery, yeah. That's still a fun fight. Still.
That's how it starts, huh?
Yeah.
I gotta catch one of these first, and then I catch these.
He wants to stay here, man.
Yeah.
Grab it.
Oh, nice. Easy. Mm-hmm. Woo. That'll get you. That'll get you.
Ready?
There it is. Nice.
Bye. Catch you next time. No, I'll catch you next time.
He goes, let me go check the engine room down there. He goes, and we'll just head on, just go water. The whole thing look water like this here, you know, and you can see land over here. You can see land over here. That's something like this here, you know. Stay in the middle. He got off the boat, and the water was only about that deep. He goes under there and he checks because oil started coming out of the engines. He goes under there and it's stuck in sand, and he calls for a tow. Ties it up at the bottom, drags it up. All right, follow me to. He goes, follow him to a dock that was right there so he can do some paperwork. So he paid the guy off. It was like for a tow, it was like $750.
Feels good.
Is
Huh,
it
Mike?
big one?
This one feels better. Yeah. So it's big. You can see the rod bend. Okay, let me get in there. You want to net it?
No, go ahead, son. I'm watching.
In other words, move out of the way, Raymond.
In other words, get the hell out. Oh, I see.
But you
I
good.
see.
Keeper.
It's a keeper?
Maybe.
Yeah, he's a keeper. He's a keeper. Same size as the other one.
Oh, yeah.
Bigger. It might be bigger.
Careful. You can let it out.
He's a little bigger than the other one, son.
Oh, yeah, 25. what's going on, guys? Today we ended up taking my uncle from Texas, my dad, and we got a rich rod on the boat. We tried doing some halibut today. We got 2 keepers and some shakers, and we got a shark and 2 three stingrays.
Yeah.
So we didn't do too well today, but hey, it's all good. We got to get out here on the water and have a good time. So we're gonna load up, and then we're gonna go get some grub and go get some actual seafood. And yeah, till then, we'll see you guys on the next one.